Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kids Zone. In this video, we are going to do an alphabet worksheet for a nursery class. So let's start. What comes after? What comes after letter B? C. What comes after letter H? I. What comes after K? L. What comes after O? P. What comes after S? T. What comes after M? N. What comes after P? Q. What comes after W? X. What comes after Y? Z. So the next one is write the small letters A, F, G, R, H, I, C, E, T. The next one says write the capital letters. These are the small letters in cursive style. M, H, P, B, Q, R. So the next one says match the letters. You have to match the same letter. C, C, F, F, P, P, I, K, K. So the next one says what comes before. We have to write the letter that comes before. So what comes before H? G. What comes before M? L. What comes before O? N. What comes before D? C. What comes before F? E. What comes before L? K. What comes before G? F. What comes before J? I. What comes before S? R. So this was the alphabet worksheet we did for nursery class. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.